we have partnered with a company called Survival Dispatch. You may be familiar with the site or the YouTube channel, Survival Dispatch. They are currently, for the month of December, they're currently running a $25,000 New Year giveaway. Survival Dispatch, for those who are not familiar with it, is a site that promotes disaster preparedness with the collective knowledge from experienced survivalists. And their goal is to offer common sense prepping solutions for a dangerous world. So to ring in the new year, they're giving away $25,000 in prizes during a giveaway drawing on New Year's Day 2024. A total of 17 companies are participating in this event by contributing the prizes, and we are one of those companies. By Two-Way Radios is contributing Wouxun KG935G Plus Prepper GMRS radio kit valued at $469.99. One person's going to win. This is my understanding that one person is going to win that full $25,000 giveaway package. So someone's going to walk away really big with a lot of cool stuff, and it looks like they are giving away a trip. That sounds pretty cool. So the registration period began Monday, December 4th, 2023, and continues through the month of December. The drawing will be held on New Year's Day, January 1st, 2024. There's no purchase necessary. All you need to do is go to the official giveaway sign-up page, enter your email address, and you're in. And you can get there by going to our blog. We have a blog post up for it by Two-Way Radios. Go to our blog, and you can click on the link there for this post for the giveaway, and you can enter from that point. It's just free to sign up. You don't have to do anything else to get in there. But once you're in, you're in. And just as a disclaimer, this giveaway is conducted by Survival Dispatch. Okay, that's a third party. We're not conducting the giveaway; they are. So any questions, concerns, comments about the giveaway, you'll need to go to survivaldispatch.com to address that with them. You'll want to read the giveaway terms and conditions located at the bottom of the sign-up page for their giveaway for the details and all that. Yeah, defer the questions to them. They're the ones doing the giveaway. We're just participating in it by contributing one of the prizes.